welcome back to our channel. So I'm here again, Sunshine.
Oh, really?
Hi, Happy.
Hi.
What we will do today?
Going fishing.
Yeah. So what happened earlier?
Oh, the garage door wouldn't open.
Yeah.
No fun.
No fun. Early in the morning, both of us will get disappointed and upsetting.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So we will ride the taxi boat. Oh, this is my first experience and so excited.
You need to be careful getting in the boat.
Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Are they together?
Yeah, these are our two captains here.
Ah, there are two captains and they will help us to do fishing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Our boat is parked out here.
So look at guys. We get wet.
Alright guys. Ready? Alright.
Bye. Ah, so David is our... So the owner is Bolivar.
Yes.
And then David is our captain.
Right.
Ah!
Yeah, be
This is
careful
so
with
cool.
that phone, honey.
I wait.
Be
I get
careful.
wet.
Be
I get
careful.
wet.
Be careful.
This is so fun.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh no, we forgot the tripod.
That's okay.
Oh. It's not okay though.
Gracias. Buenos dias.
Hello. So these are the people who will help us.
Comes away, honey. Careful.
Yeah. Oh! Must be I bring extra clothes. It's
Yeah.
nice to get wet.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
Yeah.
The water is warm.
Yeah, bring extra clothes.
¿Quién vaya?
Agua aquí.
Allá uno y aquí otro. ¿En un bogado ayer? Y en Jacó también otro.
No, pues, bueno, acá tenemos otro.
Have you seen it?
Chips.
There we go, guys. So this is our boat. Oh.
Go up here, honey.
Okay.
Hola, Sam.
Hola.
Mi nombre es Juan. Robert. Juan.
Sunshine.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hola. Oh, this other captain.
Yeah.
It's not David.
Yeah, this is one.
One. So I thought it's David. So they just sent us only.
Honey, can you give me the sunscreen?
Oh yeah. So here we go, guys. Hi, honey.
Hi.
Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that place, guys. So cool. for this experience, honey? Of course.
There's bigger waves.
Wow. I like it. Oh, yeah. No waves. What do you think? How many meters we go? Oh, kilometers. Oh my.
In Arizona. Or, no, maybe in the Philippines.
Yeah. Wow. The waves there are big, honey.
Yes, because the water is crashing into the...
Rocks. Are we stopped here?
Maybe.
Oh. Look at the water, guys. It's green. I want far. I want more far. Okay. So maybe we'll stop here, guys. That's fine, honey. Oh, do you have a fish, honey?
Bait. Yeah.
Ah, it's a bait. Oh,
Oh, live bait. Yeah.
they're alive.
Yeah. Ella tiene un canal de YouTube. Sí. Subscribers.
Sí,
Sí.
muy inteligente.
Sí.
Y es zona para búsqueda.
So,
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah.
Sobre las rocas.
Rocas. Muchos olas?
Sí. Hoy no.
No. Yeah, flat.
Otros días.
oh my god, it's wavy. It's fine. It's wavy here.
Yeah, he was telling me that today was flat. Some other days it's wave.
Wavy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So waves in Spanish is olas.
Oh, that's.
O-L-A-S.
Ah, but now it's wavy.
Ahí vas a salir en YouTube. Y bueno, puta, Juan Prenda.
Oh my gosh.
Vamos para YouTube.
Hi. Yeah. Handsome.
Están muriendo todos en
I feel like every time I look at you, honey. Ah. Are we gonna start here?
Yeah, he's putting the bait on the line now. So what they do is they're stopping, and then what we do is we move the boat a little bit, and it's called trolling. And so the bait swims on the hook, and then the big fish see it and want to eat it.
Algo bonito.
See, so he's got the hook. He's gonna put a fish on the hook. And he'll put it in the hook.
Okay, they will put fish in the hook.
Ay, la puta de Dios. Cógelo aquí. ¿Cuál chiquito que? ¿Este más chiquito?
Very fresh.
Venga.
So they put two hooks on it.
The fish is very fresh, honey. Want to eat it?
Ave María. Venga, vuelta aquí. Venga. Ya te veo ahogado.
Oh, poor fish. Bye bye, fishy. There we go. For the swim.
Es un buen lugar para los Rooster Fish.
Sí.
aquí, sí.
No, aquí nos vamos más adelante. Vamos a probar aquí, otro ratico por allá.
Okay.
primera vez en Costa Rica?
Sí, sí, nosotros me voy a ir a los Estados Unidos una semana.
Ajá.
Y mi esposa a las Filipinas.
Wow.
Pero sí, mi primera vez en Costa Rica.
¿A dónde?
Ah,
¿Se casaron los dos?
sí, muy bonito. Muy caliente.
Sí. ¿Y you house de Estados Unidos dónde?
Arizona.
En Arizona, frío.
Sí.
¿Cómo le llaman?
Thank you.
Gracias, señor. Gracias, señor.
So hi guys, we're back. So we will go home. We just went fishing for 2 hours because I feel sick. Oh my gosh, I vomited twice, guys. So my husband decided that we will go back. So now we're in taxi boat now and going back
To the beach.
to the beach. So it's fun fishing, guys, but I cannot stay in the boat in the waves. So I think it's okay to go fishing in the river, or we were going in the lake, or we will if in the ocean we just go down in the stone
Here in the rocks.
or in the rocks rather. Oh my gosh, that's so hard. Hi honey, I'm sorry.
Oh, no. It's not even though you were vomiting, you still look sexy, honey.
Oh my gosh, because I take out the first clothes. Super hot. So we're here in the beach, guys.
Okay, be careful, honey.
No problem. Thank you.
Gracias, caballero. Pura vida.
Oh, it's stinky. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, they love.
Smells like
This is so dirty. They love to
Smells like dead rats and
go to the swimming here. Go swimming here. So many people do swimming, but they're
smells like
looks like died rats.
smells
Dead
like
rats.
smells like a pile of shit. Ugh. Dead fish.
Dead rats.
Yeah.
So here we go, guys. So many people say, oh, I can say, honey, that the ocean in the Philippines is more nicer than this.
Yeah, for sure. I think over here, honey.
Super duper nice. I forgot our car.
Over there.
Well, it's an experience.
Yes, honey.
Though ATV rides is more fun, but this is experience for me. Thank you, honey, for my first
Of
experience.
course, honey. It's my pleasure. My sexy fisherwoman wife, huh?
Fisherwoman. Fisherwoman do vomit.
It's okay, honey.